students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is What is Jamal. Welcome again you all for learning YouTube channel. Today students, I'm going to discuss a topic of class 10th. The topic of my today's video is use of target attribute. Use of this target attribute in the anchor tag. Okay. Actually, first of all, my students, let me clarify you what is a target attribute, what is the use of the target attribute. Actually, I have written something on the board. I am just reading out and make you understand. The target attribute specify a name or a keyword that indicates where to display the response that is received after the submitting of form. It means that students, whenever you submit a form, you found that where the data has to respond, So the target attribute define the actual response after the submitting of the form, after clicking on the link, or after submitting on the form. Students, here I have drawn a picture. I have divided my web browser screen into two parts. The first is the frame 1 and the second is frame 2. If I want to create a link, suppose link ABC is here. When I click on this link, the response web page will display in the frame B. So the target of this ABC file is frame B. So the target is frame B. So students, whenever you creating a link by using anchor tag, you need a document or a window to respond the opening of the particular sheet. So that is can be respond by the help of target attribute of the anchor tag. Students, target attribute is supported by all over the present web browsers like Google Chrome, like Internet Explorer, like Mozilla Firefox, Opera, and all are these support the target attribute of the anchor tag. Students, if you want to define the target, how can you define? I have given a syntax. First of all, you open anchor tag, then after you will define the href, because href defines the name of the file. I just have to name the file, and then after the target and then value. So students, you must understand what are the different types of value. There are various types of value, but I have discussed in my video, in this video, only two things. First is blank and second is self. In the blank, if you are assigning the value blank, if your target value is blank, it will open the link document with a new tab or new window. When you click on here, you have not defined any target, and you click, and then another web page, another tab will open and display the content of the link page. If you are defining the value self, as self, then it will open the link file in the same frame it was clicked. That means if you are getting a link here and you have defining the target value is self, then it will open the file same here. In the same frame A. This is frame A, this is frame B. If you want to open the target file in the same frame, you have to define the value is self. So students, how can you do it? To do it, first of all, you have to write A. This is the example I am giving you. Then after href, then the file name the link. The file name is there. Then the target name. My target name is frame B, because I want to give the target name is frame B. I want to display in this different section of the frame. So after that, when you click on the file, it will appear. Click on the file, it will appear in the frame. Click to open file. When the user click on this particular link, the abc.html will appear here. abc.html file will open in this frame B. Students, once again I'm just repeating these things. Just I'll take 1 minute. Target attribute is used to define when the user respond on any link or any form after submitting the form, where the particular form will appear, where the particular link will open, कहाँ पर वो open होगा, then it is to be defined by the help of target. Target attribute is supported by all of the web browsers and like Mozilla Firefox web browsers. And if you are using the target attribute with the anchor tag, you have to use this syntax. First of all, A, then href, then file name that you want to open when at the target window, and they define the target name or value. There are two different values. First one is the blank and the second one is self. When you are assigning the blank, it will open another tab with a blank tab, and it will display the targeted file. And if you are defining the self value, that means it will open the same window, and it will open in the same window. So the example I have given here, ahref equal to abc.html, the target name, you must define the target name. I have defined the target name frame 2, that means it will open in the frame 2. Okay, this is all about for today's video. Just do and practice your home and try to complete this task. That is a task. Why I am just calling task, because when you practice it, it will clarify you, it will clear you what is the use of this attribute. Thank you very much.